Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Real English Talk. I'm Jake.
And I'm Mia. It's great to be with you today.
Today, we have a very important topic. It's something you use every single day.
That's right. We are talking about numbers, dates, and times in English.
You need numbers for everything. You use them for money, for phone numbers, and for your age.
And you need dates and times to make plans or to catch a bus.
Exactly. So this is a super useful episode.
Before we start, please subscribe to our podcast and give this episode a like. It really helps us.
All right, let's jump in. First, we have cardinal numbers.
Cardinal numbers? Those are the normal counting numbers, right?
Yep, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count to 20 together. I'll start. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8, 10,
11.
12. Okay, now for the tricky teens. 13,
14,
15,
16,
17,
18,
19.
and 20. Great job.
Now this is where learners often have trouble. The difference between 13 and 30.
That's a big one. Listen to the stress. 13. The stress is on the end.
And for 30, the stress is at the beginning. 30,
14,
40,
15.
50.
Great! The T numbers are for counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
So I can say, I have 2 dogs, or I need $25.
Perfect. And I am 34 years old.
Oh, are you sure? I always forget my age. I think I'm 32, or is it 33?
It's good to have a number you can remember.
Okay, I think I have the cardinal numbers. What's next?
Next up are ordinal numbers. We use these for order or position.
Oh, you mean like when someone wins a race, they are in first place?
Exactly. First, second, and third are special. You have to remember them.
First, second, third. Got it. What about after that?
Most numbers just add th, so we have fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and so on.
That seems easy enough. So when do we use these?
We use them for floors in a building. For example, I live on the 3rd floor.
She finished second in the race.
Yup, and the most common use is for dates.
Yes. My birthday is on the 15th, not the 15.
You got it. Let's practice up to the 20th. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th.
Are you ready to talk about time, Jake?
I am. I need the practice. I am often a few minutes late.
Well, there are 2 main ways to tell time in American English. The easy way is just saying the numbers.
I like easy. So if the clock says 4:30, I just say 4:30?
That's it. If it's 9:15, you say 9:15. If it's 2:45, you say 2:45.
Wow, that is simple. I can definitely do that. But what about the other way?
The other way uses words like past and to. For 9:15, you can also say 9:15.
A quarter past, because 15 minutes is a quarter of an hour. Makes sense.
Right. For 4:30, we say 4:30.
And for 2:45, this is the tricky one.
For 2:45, we say 2:45. You talk about the next hour.
2:45. Okay, I see. I think 2:45 is much friendlier.
A lot of people agree. Finally, we need AM and PM.
Right. AM is for the morning from midnight until noon.
And PM is for the afternoon and evening from noon until midnight.
I once showed up for a dentist appointment at 9 p.m. instead of 9 a.m.
Oh no! Did you have to wait all night?
No, the office was closed. It was very embarrassing.
Okay, next up is another important topic, the days of the week.
I love talking about the days. Let's name all 7. Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday.
Friday, the best day.
I agree. And then Saturday and Sunday, which are the weekend.
So, which day is your favorite, Mia?
I love Saturdays. I can sleep in and then go for a nice walk. What about you?
I'm a big fan of Sunday. It's so quiet and relaxing, a perfect day to read a book.
Let's learn some useful phrases. If I say this Friday, it means the Friday coming soon.
Exactly. If I say last Monday, I mean the Monday that just passed.
And next weekend means the weekend that is coming after this one. So what did you do last weekend?
Last weekend, I visited my family. It was really nice.
From days, we move to months. There are 12 of them.
Let's do it. January, February, March,
April, May, June,
July, August, September.
October, November, December. And that's a full year.
Now, how we say dates is very important in American English. It's a common mistake.
It is. The rule is we say the month first and then the ordinal number for the day.
So, for the date 10/5, we say October 5th.
Exactly, not the 5th of October, just October 5th. America's Independence Day is July 4th, and Christmas is December 25th.
I love Christmas.
Okay, let's put it all together with some real-life practice. I'll be the receptionist.
Hello, I would like to make an appointment to see the doctor.
Of course, the doctor is available on Wednesday, June 8th at 10:30 a.m.
That's perfect. Thank you. See, you use the day, month, date, and time.
It felt very natural. Okay, my turn. You are a barista at a coffee shop.
Got it.
Excuse me, what are your hours today?
We open at 6 a.m. and we close at 7 p.m.
Great, thank you. Now a more personal one. When is your birthday, Jake?
My birthday is August 22nd. And yours?
Mine is March 15th, so I'm a few months older than you.
Yeah, you got me.
And that's our show for today. We covered a lot of ground.
We did. We talked about cardinal numbers for counting and ordinal numbers for dates and positions.
We also learned how to tell the time, and we went through all the days and months.
We hope this episode helps you feel more confident using English every day.
For practice, please leave a comment below. Tell us your birthday using English. For example, my birthday is April 10th.
And don't forget to subscribe to Real English Talk and share it with your friends who are learning English.
Thanks so much for listening. We'll talk to you in the next episode.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.